Today we are unboxing the Accutron Spaceview 314, reference 26A211. Inside we find the Accutron warranty card with 5 years of worldwide coverage. Next, we see the watch inside the box, still wrapped in plastic. The watch features a domed sapphire crystal. The case is made of polished 904L stainless steel. This material is known for its strength and corrosion resistance. Inside the watch is the Accutron caliber Y230 tuning fork movement. The movement is accurate to within 2 seconds per day. The case diameter is 39 millimeters. The thickness measures 13.4 millimeters. The watch comes on a black padded Italian calf leather strap. The open dial reveals the beautiful structure of the movement. You can see the detailed finishing and the signature Accutron design. And finally, on the wrist. The watch feels elegant and refined. The open dial and tuning fork movement make it a very distinctive and technical timepiece.
Hi guys, thank you for watching. If you would like to purchase this watch, use the link down below. Also, don't forget your 20K code for your 10% off.